Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for a reliable toolkit to manage, transfer, and recover data on your phone, Dr. Fone by Wondershare is one of the best out there. And the good news is, you don't have to pay full price. Today I'll share the latest Dr. Fone coupon codes and promo discounts for 2022 so you can save big. Stick with me until the end because I'll give you multiple codes to try so you can pick the one that gives you the maximum discount. Dr. Fone is an all-in-one mobile solution that helps you transfer files, recover lost data, unlock phones, repair system issues, and even manage WhatsApp chats. Whether you're on Android or iOS, Dr. Fone has specialized modules to make your life easier. And with these coupon codes, you can grab it at one of the lowest prices of the year. Here are the codes you can try. DRFONE30. Save up to 30% off selected Dr. Fone toolkits. Wondershare 20, extra 20% off for new users. Mobile 15, flat 15% off annual subscriptions. Recover 25, get 25% off lifetime licenses. Free month 22. Enjoy 1 month free on select plans. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your toolkit, apply one of these codes at checkout, and watch the price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the biggest discount, try another. One of these will definitely work in 2022. So don't wait. Deals like this don't last long. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and make managing your smartphone easier with Dr. Fone today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more discount codes and software tips, and let me know in the comments which Dr. Fone feature you're most excited about. See you in the next one.